Solong Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Solong Wallet app is one of the early wallets built specifically for the Solana blockchain. But with so many Solana wallets out there, does Solana still hold up? Let's break down the pros and cons so you can decide for yourself. First, the pros. Solong's biggest strength is its simplicity. It was designed for users who want a fast and lightweight way to access the Solana ecosystem without unnecessary clutter. The interface is clean, minimal, and easy to navigate, perfect for newcomers who want to store, send, or receive Sol and tokens quickly. Another plus is that Solong runs directly in your browser as a Chrome extension. This makes it easy to connect to Solana apps like Serum, Radium, or Solanart. You can approve transactions in seconds without switching between devices or complicate apps. Security-wise, Solong gives users full control of their private keys, meaning you, not the company, hold your crypto. That's a major advantage for users who value decentralization and ownership. But of course, there are cons. The biggest drawback is limited functionality compared to newer wallets like Phantom or Solflare. Solana doesn't offer features such as in-app staking, NFT management, or built-in swaps, which many users now expect. There is also the issue of slow development. Solong hasn't seen major updates recently, so some users worry about long-term support and compatibility with new Solana features. Finally, while it's fast and simple, its security setup depends heavily on the user's browser. That means you need to be extra cautious about phishing sites or malicious extensions. In conclusion, the Solong Wallet app is a light, fast, and straightforward way to access the Solana network. The surprising truth? It's best for minimalists who prefer speed over features. But if you're looking for an all-in-one Solana experience, you might want to explore newer alternatives.